Welcome. If you want to use face unlock in your Motorola One Macro, let's go for the settings. Right now we have to go for the security and location and then tap on the face unlock. Right now read the description, then tap on the setup, click allow. And we have to remember that the face matching is less secure than a pattern, and also the someone who looks like us could be it will be possible to unlock our phone. And the last one is the data used to recognize our face is kept private on our phone. So let's go, tap on the next. Okay, right now we have to input our log method, and right now it is scanning our face. It was very fast. So right now we can check how it works. And as you can see, our smartphone is working with this new log method. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.